Hi, good morning. We are now again in the double elimination. So here we have 6 teams, which is G equals N minus 1 times 2. And 6 minus 1 times 2 equals 5 times 2. And so we have 10 gains. In power of 2 minus N, it's 8 minus 6. It could be greater than 2, the number of our N, or equal to the number of our N should be the power of 2. Remember, in power of 2, we have this 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, so on and so forth from the power of 2 itself. And so, we have 2 buys. Now, let's proceed to the diagram. Again, we need to see the tournament to avoid mismatch. So basically, we have 2 buys in 6 teams. So I'm gonna make team 1 and team 6 as our advanced team to the next round. So this is how I plot the teams together with the bye. Again, if the team is bye, meaning the team is not the winner. Instead, the team is waiting to the next round. So we have to close the bracket, moving the team 1 to the next round. The same thing here in the loser side. Extend the line. Whatever you'll be doing in the winner side, you have to do that in the loser side. This is your game 1. Supposing we have team 2 is the winner and the loser is your team 3. So automatically, those will be thrown in the left side are your losing or losers. Okay? So 6 is moved to the next round, waiting team. And there's no loser. So after extending the lines on the loser side, we have to close it right away. As you can see, 3 has no match on the upper bracket. So we need to extend another line here. And then we will place team 3. Meaning team 3 is waiting for the next loser from the winner's bracket. The same here in team 4. Okay? So, we'll proceed here in the winner's side. This is our game 3. Supposing we have team 2. As long as we have loser here, we can already hang the bracket. Remember that when we hang or open the bracket, that is intended for the loser from the winner's bracket. So we have 1. Let's have a broken arrow or an arrow to indicate loser from the winner side. And so this is our game 4. Okay, so we have loser 6. Okay, this is it. So after which we have already 2 teams to have their counter. And so this is our game 5. Example, team 3. So what will happen to team 1? Team 1 will be eliminated right away. Why? Because team 1 has already 2 loses. Here in game 3, and then the next is in game 5. The same thing here will happen in the other team. Example, we have 6. So, team 4 is already eliminated. So, let's go back here right away. This is our game 7. Although we can close the bracket here right away, but to give favor to Team 6 who just finished the game, so let's move to Game 7. Supposing we have Team 5 as our twice to beat here. So let's close the bracket then. We have Game 8. Let's say we have 3. Team 6 is already eliminated. So remember, we still have other loser here. So we need to open or hang the bracket. So we have Team 2, who is the loser here. And so we have Game 9. Example, we have Team 2. So Team 3 is already eliminated. And so lastly, let's have the counter between Team 2 versus Team 5. So we cannot say that Team 5 is already the champion in their Game 10 match. Instead, we need to write a note here that Team 5 is twice to beat. Why? Because let's say in Game 10, Team 2 versus Team 5, winner, loser. Let's say the winner is Team 2. So Team 2 has a chance to go up or to have a rematch with Team 5, which would give us Game 11. So we have Team 5 versus Team 2. So example, in the rematch, Team 2 still the winner, then our champion is Team 2. But in case in Game 11, Team 5 won, then automatically Team 5 is the champion. But in here, in Game 10, Team 5 won, then automatically the champion is Team 5. So it depends on the situation. Okay, thank you.